Hello, bonjour, hola, konnichiwa. How you doing? It's me, your language teaching friend, Etienne. We have an opportunity for celebration, so I'm hoping that you're gonna go over and hit that early bird registration. Wait until you see the sessions that are lining up. I just can't wait to see you there, so let's get signing up. So come on, get in the game. I promise you won't leave the same. For some quality we time, I know you're thirsting. And your teacher toolboxes, they're gonna be bursting with ideas, freebies, and strategies that you can start using the very same week. Look, COVID has made language teaching rather checkered. So I tell you what, let's get together. Break the attendance record. Language teachers are the pillars of education, and you are the most passionate of them in the nation. Together, there ain't nothing that can stop us. Just watch us, ain't no one can top us. And why are we so great, you ask? Because language teachers like us got game, and we know how to rock your class. As you can see, I'm a little bit excited about joining you for this spring conference, so hit that registration button and I can't wait to see you there.